In the isosceles triangle, the inscribed circle has a radius of 2, the smaller circle has a radius of 1, and it is tangent to the inscribed circle and the two equal sides of the triangle. Then what is the area of the triangle? Let A, B, C be the isosceles triangle with sides AC is equal to AB. This side is equal to this side. Draw perpendicular AF from A to the base BC. From symmetry, F will be the point of tangency between the larger circle and side BC. Side BC is touching the larger or the inscribed circle at point F, then this line AF will be perpendicular to BC. Let D and E be the centers of the two circles. D is one center and E is another center. Let M be the point where the two circles touch. So this is the point where the two circles touch each other. From symmetry, line AF will pass through D, M and E. So A and F will contain, the line AF will contain the points D, M and E. Then DM is the radius of the smaller circle and that is 1, and EF is radius of the larger circle, that is 2. It is given. If G and H are the points where the two circles touch the sides AC, then DG, that is R1 or the radius of the smaller circle, and that is 1, and EH is equal to radius of the larger circle, that is 2. DG being the radius at the point of tangency, it will be perpendicular to AC. That is, this circle and this line are tangent to each other. DG is the radius at the point of tangency. Therefore, this angle will be 90 degree. Similarly, EH also will be perpendicular to AC. EH also will be perpendicular to AC. Let height of the triangle ABC, that is the big triangle ABC, let the height, this is the height, let it be called H, or AF is equal to H. And FC, that is this distance, is half of the base BC, and let us call it X. The two right triangles ADG and AEH are similar. That is, this triangle and this triangle both are right triangles and they are similar because all their angles are equal. This angle is 90 degree and this angle is 90 degree. This angle is common to both. Therefore, the remaining angle this is equal to this. Hence, the triangles ADG and AEH are similar. These two triangles, that is ADG and AEH, are also similar to the right triangle ACF, that is this triangle. Why? Again, because all the angles are equal, one angle is 90 degree here, here also 190 is 90 degree, one angle is 90 degree. This angle is common for all the three triangles. Therefore, the remaining angles, this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle. So, all the three angles being equal, the three triangles ADG, AEH and ACF are all similar to each other. From the triangles ADG and AEH, that is from the two smaller triangles, AD by AE is equal to DG by EH is equal to half. That is AD divided by AE is equal to DG divided by EH, but DG is 1, EH is 2, so AD by AE is equal to 1 by 2. But AE is equal to, that is this length, is equal to AD plus this, which is AD plus 3. So, AE is equal to AD plus 3. Therefore, AD divided by AE is equal to AD divided by AD plus 3, and that is equal to half. Now, by cross multiplication, 2AD is equal to AD plus 3 or AD is equal to 3. Before going any further, please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell so you can be immediately notified for new uploads. It is completely free and only takes a few seconds, and you can always unsubscribe later if you want to. Also, if you know about any interesting problem that you would like me to solve, please upload it in your comments. Without further ado, let's proceed with the rest of the video. From triangles ADG and ACF, that is ADG and ACF, which are similar, we get AD divided by DG, that is AD divided by DG is equal to AC divided by FC. Now AD is equal to 3, DG is equal to 1, so AD by DG is equal to 3 by 1. And AC is the hypotenuse of this right triangle. Therefore, AC square is equal to AF square plus FC square, or AC is equal to AF square plus FC square whole square root. So, we get 3 by 1 is equal to AC by FC, which is same as AF square plus FC square square root divided by FC. And AF being H and FC being X, we get 3 by 1 is equal to H square plus X square whole square root divided by X. By cross multiplication, we get 3x is equal to H square plus X square whole square root. By squaring both sides, we get 9x square is equal to H square plus X square, or 8x square is equal to H square. Therefore, H is equal to 2 root 2 x. Now, H is equal to AF, which is AD plus DM plus ME plus EF, that is AD plus DM plus ME plus EF is equal to AF, and that is equal to AD is 3, DM is 1, ME is 2, EF is 2, therefore H is equal to 8. Hence, x is equal to h by 2 square root of 2, that is 8 divided by 2 square root of 2, that is 4 divided by square root of 2, and that is equal to 2 root 2. Therefore, area of the triangle ABC is equal to half base into height. Base is FC, base is BC, and height is AF, and half of base will be FC, and height is AF. Therefore, area is equal to x into h. X is equal to 2 square root 2 multiplied by 8, and that is equal to 16 square root of 2. Therefore, area of the triangle ABC is 16 square root of 2, and that is the answer. Thank you.